Life does not stay the same. Sometimes life breaks us. Sometimes life gives new chances. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about new beginnings in life. Through their gentle conversation, you will learn English calmly, clearly, step by step. Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
You look thoughtful today.
Yes, I was thinking about life,
About what part of life?
about starting again, about new beginnings.
That is a deep topic.
Yes, but also beautiful.
What do you mean by new beginnings?
When life gives us another chance.
Another chance to live better?
Yes, another chance to grow, to change, to improve.
I like that.
New beginnings are like new mornings.
Fresh, calm, and full of hope. Do you think everyone needs new beginnings?
Yes, because everyone makes mistakes.
True.
Sometimes, life becomes heavy.
Sometimes we feel lost.
In those moments, a new start is important.
New beginnings heal the heart. Before new beginnings, there is usually pain.
Yes, pain teaches us.
Pain changes us.
Pain makes us stronger.
Did you ever feel that?
Yes, I lost things. I lost people. I lost confidence.
That must have hurt.
Yes, but later, I found myself again.
That is the power of starting again. How do we start again?
Not with big steps, with small steps.
Small but honest steps.
Yes, like waking up with hope.
Like believing, I can try again.
Like forgiving ourselves.
Forgiveness is very important. Hope is like light.
Yes, a small light.
Even a small light changes darkness.
Hope says, life is not over.
Hope says, you still have time.
Hope says, you can start again.
Starting again needs courage.
Yes, it is not easy.
We feel fear,
We feel doubt.
but courage means
Trying, even when afraid.
very true.
That is real strength.
Do new beginnings bring peace?
Yes, slowly.
Peace does not come fast.
Peace grows, like a plant.
Day by day.
Step by step. This talk made me feel hopeful.
Me too.
Life is not finished when something ends.
Sometimes ending is a new beginning.
I believe that now.
And we will continue
Living,
learning
growing.
and speaking English slowly.
Yes, slowly, peacefully.
Life changes, people change, moments change, but new beginnings always come through slow conversation and gentle English. You learned words and learned life.